Welcome to the Crystal Acrylic Modular Kitchen by Spacewood, where smart design meets modern living. A perfectly planned cooking unit with dedicated drawers for cutlery, spices, and heavy utensils keeps everything organized, while smart S-Corner and Magic Corner solutions ensure no space goes unused. From wicker baskets for fresh storage to bottle and jar pullouts for easy access, every detail is built for convenience. The rolling shutter neatly hides your appliances, while tall units with pull-down systems and heavy-duty drawers make storage effortless and strong. A well-structured pantry, sleek hydraulic wall units, an elegant crockery display add both function and style to your space. Complete with a modern breakfast counter, smart cube display with accent lighting, extra storage cabinets, and a fully integrated dishwasher, this kitchen is designed to simplify your everyday life. If you want your kitchen to look this fabulous and perfectly organized, connect with Spacewood today